Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Excel by Raghav. In this channel you will find all Excel related videos right from basics to advanced level, which includes various formulas, functions and of course automation codings, which gives you a step-by-step direction and is helpful in writing VBA macros as per your requirement. Keeping in view of your precious time, I am trying my best to keep the video length shorter with in details of every topic so as to give you more understanding. Every day new videos will be uploaded, so keep watching for more and more videos and make yourself an Excel wizard. I see many viewers have not subscribed the channel, and I request you to kindly subscribe, like and promote the channel, and finally leave your valuable comments which will be answered sooner. In today's tutorial we will learn about H-LOOKUP, when to apply, how to apply and its uses. What is H-LOOKUP? H-LOOKUP is an Excel function to look up the data in a table organized horizontally. Use H-LOOKUP when you need to find things in a table or a range by column and can search for data in a number of columns. But remember, though the action is faster, the system gets slower if the workbook has many other functions in same sheet where H-LOOKUP is applied. H-LOOKUP can be executed either within same sheet, different sheets. H-LOOKUP is complicated as the selection range changes as and when we move the formula to rest of the cells unless we freeze or lock the data range. A simple H-LOOKUP has a disadvantage since it picks up only the first available data, though several records are available against same record. Let's see the different cases of simple H-LOOKUP in this tutorial. I have two different tables in same sheet, one showing lecturer names and the other subjects they teach, and other data only lecturer names. In this, I would like to get the subjects they teach. First, I have the name of the lecturers and the lecturer names in the horizontal way. Then the subject and the subjects they teach in the horizontal way. As said, H-LOOKUP, H stands for horizontal. So the data function will work in horizontal way. Is equals to H-LOOKUP, then press tab, do the selection, then comma, then again do the selection of the source data and comma. Then now my data I want to get is the subjects, so which is in second column or the second row. In this case H-LOOKUP, it's called as rows. So I'm pressing number 2, then comma, then 0, then close the brace and press enter. Here if we observe the data in the first cell where the formula is applied, it's showing the entire data range. Now let's see what happens if I'm copying the same formula and applying to the rest of the cells. As and when I'm copying the data from the first cell, the data range is also getting changed. It's not constant. So I'm deleting the formula which is applied to rest of the cells. So to overcome that problem, I will freeze the cells by pressing F4. Now I have phrased the formula, then I am copying and applying to the rest of the cells. Now press enter. If you observe, earlier the formula was changing. Now the formula will be constant to the entire data range. And one more observation here is Cherry is having two subjects, max and social. But when I'm trying to get two data, it's picking only the first data, that is max. Cherry here and another here is max. And here in case of Krish, it is social, the first subject, and in the second place it is at science. But it's picking only the first data. The data is not getting picked for the second value. This can be overcome by using additional if functions, which we will be seeing in our later videos. Now let's see the H-LOOKUP from other sheet. Here I am now in sheet 3 and I have the data in sheet 4, which I pre-fill to save the time. So applying the data from one sheet to another sheet within the same workbook. So same formula is equals to H-LOOKUP, tab, select the entire data range, Control Shift and right arrow, then comma, then move ahead, select the entire data range from the source data, then comma, and then select to where the data I want is in row 2, then comma and 0, then close the brace and press enter. As said, if I copy the formula and apply it to rest of the cells, the data range will not be constant. So to make it constant, I am freezing in the first instance itself. So by pressing F4 key, I am freezing my formula and the data range. F4. F4. Now I am copying the formula and applying to all the cells. So here we see the data range selected is constant. H-LOOKUP works only when the data is horizontal and not vertical. Thank you friends for watching the video. Hope you liked my videos.